If you're choosing between Typora and Obsidian, this isn't just Note app versus Note app. It's distraction-free writing versus connected knowledge management. So, which one actually helps you take notes better? Let's break it down. Typora focuses on simplicity. It gives you a clean writing experience where markdown formatting is rendered instantly, making notes feel more like writing in a document than editing code. Many users love it because it stays out of the way and keeps the interface minimal. But here's the catch. It doesn't offer deep note linking, knowledge graphs, or a huge plugin ecosystem. Obsidian takes the opposite approach. It treats notes like a connected knowledge system with backlinks, graphs, plugins, and customization for researchers, students, and heavy note takers that can turn scattered notes into a searchable network of ideas. The downside is that the huge number of plugins and options can feel overwhelming at first. So, which one helps you take notes better? Choose Typora if you want fast, clean note-taking with minimal distractions. Choose Obsidian if you want backlinks, organization tools, and a second-brain workflow. Bottom line, for simple note-taking, Typora often feels better because it gets out of your way. But for most serious users who manage large amounts of information, Obsidian usually becomes more valuable over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.